FM radio in Android smartphones. So if you want to play the FM radio in your Android smartphones, then what you need to do is go and search for the FM radio application. You can go with search and you can search for radio. Here you will have the FM radio. Tap on the application. Once you tap on it, now here it will take it to this kind of interface. So you can simply go with the minus or the plus option, which is on the left and right side of your screen, to change the stations, or you can just go with the bottom left or the bottom right to change the radio stations, or just go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And from here you can search the channels. So here I have 5 channels. You can simply go with the upper right again, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on select, and you can select the channel or delete the channel, edit the name or edit the frequency, or tap on search channels, which is on the bottom, and it will search for any existing channels near you. Or you can go back and you can also change your channels. So that's it. That's how you can use your FM radio. But make sure that you put on your earphones or earplugs. Only then it will work. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.